Hey everyone, welcome back. In this video, I'm going to walk you through how to add a deposit to your TOWB account. Whether you're sending money or making any kind of transfer inside TOWB, you'll first need to make sure your account has enough balance to complete the transaction. All right, let's jump right in and get started. First, go to TOWB.com and log into your account. Once you're in your dashboard, there are two ways you can add funds. You can use the Add Deposit option right on the main dashboard, or click on Deposit Funds from the left-hand menu. Then, select Deposit Now. Next, choose your deposit method. At the moment, deposits can be made through crypto, so go ahead and click that option. Before filling out any of the fields, you must first send the deposit amount to the wallet address shown on this page. And remember, make sure you send the funds from the same wallet address you previously registered in your TOWB account. If you haven't added a wallet yet, you can simply click here to add one. For this tutorial, we've already made a test transaction. Let's open the receipt in another tab. Here, you can see the receipt for the transaction we made. Now let's copy the transaction details one by one and paste them into the fields. Start by copying the exact amount from the receipt and paste it here in the amount field. Then, select the same wallet you used to send the funds. Next, enter the date of the transaction. Finally, copy the transaction hash or transaction ID and paste it into the transaction ID or hash field. Once everything is filled out, click Submit. If the transaction details are correct, the system will automatically check and accept your deposit request, and the balance will be added to your wallet. I hope this video was helpful for you. Thanks for watching.